now going for a snowmobile ride. You have 3 packages in this. One where it goes to 1 point, another where it goes to 2, the third where it goes to 3. So the advantage of taking that second and the third package is that you get to ride one of the legs. We are going for the 2 points package. One way will be driven by our guide. The second is what we are going to be driving, and I'm super excited. Have now reached point number 2. Visibility is pretty poor, which is why we can't see much of the background, but I'll tell you what you can see is a lot of trees and a lot of snow. I rode the snowmobile up until this point and it was a very, very fun experience. So we are at the last leg of our snowmobile ride, and this is actually really fun. It's a nice fun activity for those of you who don't want to probably ski. This is a good alternative. It's a quick 15-20 minute activity, so it won't take too much of your time, and it would be best if the visibility was better because you'd be able to see more of it. Albeit we couldn't see a lot of it, still thoroughly enjoyed it.
What's your message for others?
Please come and try this. Gulmarg is honestly the heart of India. It is the most stunning place I've ever been to, and do not miss coming here to try the variety of activities that they have to offer: skiing, sledging, snowmobile, or you could just trek up, like whichever you want to do. Definitely come here. Instead of going down via the cable cart, we're going on a sledge. This will take us about 20 minutes and it's actually really fun. I have Ubdal with me and Akbar. They are taking us down on this sledge and it is super fun. It is, we came up the cable cart, but while going down we're taking the sledge, and it is a very, very fun ride, and this is a must do if you're here at Gondola. This is a must do if you're here at Gondola, because this sledge kind of experience is really, really unique. And you can look around, there's nobody, so it's just the mountains, snow, these trees and your sledge. Definitely try it out. Spot some beautiful birds here. It's stunning. So we're now in front of the shepherds' houses. They come and stay here during summer, so roughly around May, for about 5 months, and whenever it's winters and it's cold here, when it's snowing, they head down to the village. They bring their entire herd here during the summers because it's green. What you see is covered in snow now is completely green in summers, so their herds have some green to graze on, but now it's empty, it's shut, there's absolutely nobody inside, and they're all habited in the village. miracles happen. I am experiencing my first ever snowfall. We're at the gondola, we're looking to go to phase 2, and this is magical. There's a warm sun as well, and there's snow. It couldn't have gotten any better. Snowfall. It's an out of this world experience. You must just be here to experience it. I'm not too sure you guys can see it, but it's snowing very, very lightly, like very, very tiny flakes of snow. And you can see the snow that's melting off the trees and that's just falling, and it's beautiful. We're on an ATV ride that takes you around Gulmarg. We just finished the inner circle. We're next going to the outer circle. This is one of the pit stops where you can just slide off the snow. You have a lot of families, everybody's taking pictures, people throwing snowballs at each other. And it is from here we're now headed to outer Kashmir, from where we can actually see the entire Kashmir Valley. And beautiful, beautiful, outstanding, like seriously. Good morning from Gulmarg. I am surrounded by snow on all sides. It gets pretty cold in the night, but I realized the best way to get a good night's sleep is to have a super exhausting day. So when you reach your bed, you're out and you forget about the cold. We've slept well. We have a lot of cottages, obviously, that have heaters and electric blankets as well to keep you warm. We believe the temperature dropped up to -4 at night, but it's a nice, bright, sunny day in Gulmarg today. Look at the view that the Maharaja has from his palace. So I'm standing right in front of the main entrance. It is closed right now. We'll see if we have the opportunity to visit it when it's open, but it's just, look around, like, has to be one of the best palaces ever with this sort of view. Oh my god. We're making our way out of the palace. It's quiet. You can hear every single bird that's chirping. We parked our car a little below because there's so much snow and we couldn't make our way up. So a lot of these places here, you'll have to park your car in a certain place and walk up because of the snow. We are now making our way to the Shiv Mandir here, and right here is the temple that we're going to. Can you see it? So these are the steps that take you to the temple. So see, oh my god, look at this. Honestly, the sound of water is one of my favorite sounds. We're now making our way on top. Let's go. I'm sure the view from up there is going to be incredible. Just finished a wonderful darshan here at the Shiva temple. I'm going to be making my way down. Also near the Shiva temple you have activities like skiing, sketching. Honestly, this is like a canvas for anybody who wants to learn skiing. I'm going to show you around a bit. And just look at this. This is definitely not something anybody should miss. Kashmir is a lifetime experience. I'm standing in front of the most iconic temple in whole of Gulmarg. This is the Shiva temple. Very, very popular because of the famous song that was shot here by Mr. Rajesh Khanna, which is Jai Jai Shiva Shankar. Anyway, this was built by the Maharani of that time in 1915 AD. It was built by Her Royal Highness Smriti Mohini and is an extremely major tourist attraction for everybody who comes to visit Gulmarg. I'm making my way down from the temple. It's about, say, 40 to 50 stairs, not too difficult, and right there is the Shiva temple.